If you're on YouTube, to go viral, get more views, more subscribers, and ultimately get monetized, and you are using the YouTube app to upload your videos, you are wrong. You are missing out on amazing features that can help you get more views and grow your channel really fast. But don't worry, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you exactly how to upload your videos through the YouTube Studio dashboard and why it's a game changer for your channel. Hi, my name is Miriam and welcome to Miriam's YouTube Play, where I share tips that help you grow your channel as I also grow mine. Uploading your videos through the YouTube app, it's convenient and really quick, but it has limitations. A few days ago, I was watching a YouTuber where it said uploading on the YouTube app and also on the studio is no different. You don't really have to use the studio. And when he uploaded his video on the app, he went back to the mobile app, to the studio app. That is to tell you that it is a lie. You need the studio to go viral, to attract the right audience, to optimize your videos properly. Now I'm going to take you into the studio to show you step by step how to upload your videos the right way to attract your audience and also to get more views and grow your channel. So you need to go to your browser, whether you're using Google Chrome or Safari for iPhone users, anyone is fine, and type in studio.youtube.com and then press enter. Then it's going to bring you to the dashboard. So you can either use the upward arrow or the create arrow or the create button. So when you click on the create button, you click on upload videos and then you select files. So you go to your photo library or wherever the file is then. So I'm in my photo library now, so I'm going to pick the video that I'm going to upload. So when that loads, I'll click add and then it's going to start uploading on the dashboard. So it's uploading now. So the first thing we need to do is to change the title. So I'm going to click on that and then type my title. So because this is just a demo, I'm going to say how to get 1000 subscribers, 1000 subscribers fast. So the next thing is to type in your description. Make sure you are using keywords that are relevant to your videos. And here you can also add links to your previous videos that you want your audience to watch. You can also put the link to your playlist in here and add tags, add keywords, make sure that it is properly optimized because this is one of the places where the magic happens. So make sure you're maximizing that properly. So it's just a demo, so I'm just putting in something just to fill the space and show you how it is properly done. So once we are done with that, we go ahead and upload our thumbnail. So you have three options here. You can either put one thumbnail. So you go to your photo library and select whatever thumbnail you've created for this video. Also, you have the auto-generated one that YouTube is going to pick for you. So the last one is the test and compare option. Here you upload three thumbnails and YouTube is going to pick the one that does best. Each one will go up for 2 weeks and then whichever does best is the one that will be picked. So the next is a playlist. Make sure you have a playlist and add your videos to a playlist so that they can get to watch all the videos in the playlist. And that's an advantage I should take note of. So the next is to choose your audience. Make sure that you ticked no, it's not made for kids because you're not making videos for kids, and that can affect the people that YouTube is going to recommend your videos to. So the next, we'll go to the video elements. This is the real deal, the end screen and the cards. So here you add your end screen. End screens are the videos that you add at the end of each video. So if you have a related video, you add your end screen here. You can pick from 4 options. Either you post one video and your profile picture, and there's one that you can post 2 videos. So you just go back to your videos and select the one that you want to add. You can even add your whole playlist. So when they watch all the videos in that playlist. So, and you cannot find this in the YouTube app. So that is why it is good to use the studio instead of the YouTube app, because all of this is not there. And when you're using this, you are growing your views, and when they view your videos, definitely some of them are going to subscribe, and then from there you're growing. The next one is the cards. So the cards are links that you put. Maybe during your video you're talking about something and you've already made a video that is relating to what you're talking about. So you can just go ahead and add the link so that people can watch it when they click on the card. So here YouTube is still checking and your file is still downloading. So they will be able to check if there's any copyright issues, there are any issues with your videos before you push to public. So I would advise that you let your videos sit for at least 3 to 4 hours before you push it to the public, because you want YouTube to be able to read and go through your video and see that everything is fine before you change it to. So here we are at visibility. So mine is preset to private, but you can put yours as unlisted as well. But in no situation should you put it on public, because if you click on public it will go live immediately and you will not be able to check for copyright and it won't do you any good. So after that, you can also schedule. So you set the time and the date that you want it to go out. So with this one, there's even an advantage that when you schedule it, you don't have to come back to change anything. Once it's that time, it will just go live. And that's all. So we save and you can see it's still uploading. So click on close. So now we're back to the dashboard. So I'm going to go back to content. So you can see it's still uploading. So when it's done, it will just be there, and this pending is going to change to private. So if you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos. Bye guys.